Ochecheni ya wo Department of Crop Science wo UG Dr. Na Lamle Amisa ede to mabuna ni musadwin bia mrebi atwam na wo wo kua ho no wonsesa wadwen fise ne kua yo no enye ukura aso ene sekan de do abefo kwan ahodo ayede yekua abanti emabunu mu ani nkoho na mu awo
Abra senior lecturer Odini Juma Ewo Department of Crop Science University of Ghana Dr. Na Lamle Emisa Ekasa Ewo Regional Innovation Science Conference University of Ghana nka won hyehyɛ so no de to dwa say native mopobia na kakane omanfo wo sikuayo eye asoso ena afei sekane yede ye no eni enema eni adaninti sisi abefo kwanso ene efa ede yekwienti a enwa behia so omanfo nyina de wo ho ebehyimu no titire ene emebunu na ene papina na wo mu.
I'm excited about where it is that we are right now. I mean, agric before and agric now. It's really encouraging to see how far we've come. I look forward to many more, the use of technology and getting quite a number of our youth interested in agriculture. And just to tell the youth, it's not the hoe and the cutlass anymore. We have, innovative things that we are doing, technologies that have come on board. So we look forward to seeing them. They shouldn't run away from agric.
Na wasa enkabom project yi won bote nyina ne se omanfo asebi wono honam akwa bibia to chema kakra nso yebeboa ma won so timidi wo ho ahyemo binti ena eni disability inclusion specialist David Quality to just say
persons with disability have unique gifts that we often overlook because we don't see what they have to offer. You might see somebody who has a mobility impairment, but the person is very good with his voice. The person can speak. And when that person is marketing your product, it's going to get a lot of buys. So the agric ecosystem presents a huge opportunity for persons with disability. It's just left to the employers or those in charge to make the space more inclusive for them.
Nekrakra senior lecturer wo Department of Nutrition and Food Science Agatha Oheme enso ene maneboni twetwenkoma odi nema bia wono mu eyede aboa emanso etudwa
afi ya pa emayua between 18 and 34 and I boaboa omano ema omo se omo betumi adi eku ahoro a omo wo mu no omo betumi adi enim se ne omo ankasa betumi afa adwen afa bebi omo pese omo duro eni niema aseso omo ye e wo omo dwumadie mu eni omo ankasa omo abrabom.